Next example, sum the series cos square alpha plus cos square 2 alpha plus cos square 3 alpha plus so on up to n terms. Solution: let capital S is equal to given series cos square alpha plus cos square 2 alpha plus cos square 3 alpha plus so on up to n terms. And we know that cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by using this formula here. So we get this value is equal to 1 by 2 times cos square alpha means 1 plus cos 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha means 1 plus cos 4 alpha plus cos square 3 alpha means 1 plus cos 6 alpha plus so on up to n terms. And this value is equal to 1 by 2 times here by summing ones 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on up to n terms, the value will be n. The value will be n. So plus the remaining terms cos 2 alpha plus cos 4 alpha plus cos 6 alpha plus so on up to n terms. So now by simplifying, this is n by 2 plus 1 by 2 into c. This whole value is taken as c. That is c is equal to cos 2 alpha plus cos 4 alpha plus cos 6 alpha plus so on up to n terms. Now if we find the value of c, then the value of Sn is we will get by this formula. So here c is in cosine series. Now consider sine series of similar type and represent it as capital S. That is S is equal to sin 2 alpha plus sin 4 alpha plus sin 6 alpha so on up to n terms. Now consider c plus is, which is equal to cos 2 alpha plus I into sin 2 alpha plus cos 4 alpha plus I into sin 4 alpha plus so on up to n terms, which is equal to cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha is e power I 2 alpha plus this value is e power I 4 alpha plus next value will e power I 6 alpha plus so on up to n terms. Now by taking e power I 2 alpha common, we will get 1 plus e power 2 alpha plus e power I 4 alpha plus so on up to n terms. Now this is in geometric progression. Therefore by using this formula, here a value is 1 and r value, that is r means common ratio, is e power I 2 alpha. Therefore this value is equal to e power 2 alpha as it is in the bracket. A value is 1 into e power I 2 alpha whole power n minus 1 divided by e power 2 I 2 alpha minus 1. And this is equal to e power I 2 alpha into, now from this you take out e power I n alpha common. So in the bracket we get e power I n alpha minus e power minus I n alpha divided by e power I alpha into, in the denominator also you have to take out e power I alpha common. Therefore e power I alpha into e power I alpha minus e power minus I alpha. So this value is equal to e power I 2 alpha as it is, and now by simplifying this one we will get e power I into n minus 1 into alpha, and this value is equal to, by using this formula, 2i into sin n alpha divided by 2i into sin alpha. So this is equal to, by cancelling 2i we will get sin n alpha divided by sin alpha into, by simplifying this one we get e power I into n plus 1 alpha. So this value is equal to sin n alpha divided by sin alpha. This value is equal to cos of n plus 1 alpha plus I into sin of n plus 1 alpha. So here we need the c value. C is the real part. Therefore by equating real part, this is c plus is. Now by equating real parts on both the sides, we get c is equal to sin n alpha divided by sin alpha into cos of n plus 1 into alpha. But finally we need the value of Sn. Here Sn means n by 2 plus 1 by 2 into c. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 plus 1 by 2 into c. C means sin alpha plus sin n alpha divided by sin alpha into cos n plus 1 into alpha.